at guys, my neighbor have a new horses. What's your name? Huh? Looks beautiful. Look at the other guy. Come on. Say hi. Come, come. Come. Come, come. Smell skunk. Did skunk. Oh, they're sweet and beautiful. Look at the other colors. The other horse is white and brown. Hello, my dear. How are you? Huh? Wanna say hi? Nensky wanna say hi to you guys. So, you're big horses. Beautiful. Come, come. Come here. Oh, I would like to pet with you. You smell the skunk? Yes. Smell the skunk in here. There's a dead skunk, I think. Oh, beautiful. Where's your mom and dad? In the city? Look at the big nose. Come, my darling. Come, come. Say hi. Oh, they are shy. Okay, next time, I'll visit you here again, okay? Okay, thanks for watching, guys. That's my neighbor's horse. Beautiful. The other one there, white and brown. Black. Beautiful.